One of my most difficult things with working with this model, and would probably be the case with anything scale, is the size. It's just so small. I have a very, very hard time seeing these little bitty screws, and the screwdriver I can get in there, fortunately it's magnetic, but I found wearing an optivisor would be easier for me to see what I was doing, just to magnify everything up. So that would probably be my tip, my top tip, that having some kind of magnifying vision assistance worked most for me.